And there is something to also notice is that Texas is not a bifurcated divorce state. So technically we have to advise our clients that they can't date during the divorce process, especially when they have children. And that is very stressful for them. It's, sometimes it takes years and they really want to move on. But maybe that will change one day. In California, it is a bifurcated divorce state. So it's kind of up to the state legislature, the state's mentality, the philosophy about what they're gonna do. That doesn't mean that people don't break these little rules and go ahead and start dating once they filed for divorce. But as an attorney, we will never say, yeah, go do that. It's kind of one of those things that we'd rather not know about it if they're going to do it, and they need to be very careful about it. But we have to always advise against it, no matter what.